In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Edge icon to desktop. If you like having quick access to your browser right from the desktop, this method is simple, safe, and works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Using the keyboard shortcut is handy if your mouse is busy, or you prefer a faster way to bring up search. Next, start typing Microsoft Edge in the search bar. You don't need to click anywhere else, just type, and Windows will show results. Make sure you select the desktop app named Microsoft Edge, the one with the blue and green swirl icon. If you see web results, ignore those. You want the app entry in the best match list. Now, right-click the Microsoft Edge result and choose Open File Location. This opens File Explorer to the folder that contains the shortcut Windows uses in the Start menu. Opening the file location matters because it lets you create a proper desktop shortcut without moving the program or guessing where it's installed. In the folder that appears, find the Microsoft Edge icon, right-click it, hover over Send To, and then click Desktop, Create Shortcut. Hovering over Send To will expand a small menu. Choose Desktop, Create Shortcut specifically. This tells Windows to place a new shortcut on your desktop while leaving everything else untouched. This shortcut behaves exactly like the one in the Start menu, just easier to reach. Switch to your desktop, and you should see the new Microsoft Edge shortcut ready to go. You can double-click it to confirm it opens the browser. If you'd like, you can tidy things up by dragging the icon where you prefer on the desktop. You can also rename the shortcut so it's easier to spot by giving it a label you prefer. A couple of quick tips if something looks different. If Open File Location isn't available when you right-click the search result, make sure you're right-clicking the app entry itself, not a web suggestion. Also, the Send To menu only appears when you right-click the icon inside File Explorer. It won't show if you right-click items on the taskbar or Start menu directly. That's it. You've added the Microsoft Edge icon to your desktop, giving you one-click access to your browser whenever you need it.